These night vision digital video type of binocular is really nice. It has a really nice viewing screen, which makes it really easy to see the images without having to squint. You have all your buttons up here on top. This is how you focus. It has the infrared over here, and that's your view. Here is where you plug in to charge, which it comes with a cable. We'll go ahead and put a memory card in that actually is supplied with it, which is really sweet. So I'll just go ahead and slip that in here. That allows us to shoot pictures. Oh, gotta flip it upside down here. I got big fat fingers here, so. Got it locked in there. You can close it up to protect it from the weather. To turn it on, you just press this button right here. As you can see it coming on. And then you can have some stuff. I'll do some video to test it here a little bit later so that way you can see it. It comes with a bag and it comes with clips. So you can clip it on, hang it around your neck. So we'll get this tested out, and it's so far, it's really nice. All right, just like when I finished up on the other video, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on now using the power button up here. You'll see it boot up. I know it's not gonna be a great image. And it's kind of dark outside right now. So what I'm going to do is I'll turn off the lights and I'm gonna get some video, turn on the IR on it, and show the video of what it looks like when I'm all done. Here's some video directly from my camera to show you how dark it is, and then I'll show you the video that I shot with the night vision.